Me no want you bring your mouth to me in front of your friend them.
Every minute see that one you took beside
Yes. So you want to argue with her?
Yo, Skilly Bang.
Cut up all seeds and everything.
No wanna touch you now, you know. Cause you know no skin. You know no skin. You have no flesh for if you touch.
Like I said, my friend, she ever kill him.
Yeah, man, for the first time you catch me, you know. But anyways, follow my Instagram, and people. Please remember.
It's a rainy day, you know? But still active on the river. You know, this goes to show you how much I love the river. The rain not go on, I'm still say river. Rain soon will up, man. You know? Yeah. Everybody else done on the party, but I reach up before them. Yes, sir. So people, the sun is out and I still can't see none of them. I know I can't see none of the corner of our through. Oh, then I want to go in the water hour. The water is nice even when the rain is falling. I make them know so them to forward. That is it.
So are you here with the food today?
With the food today?
Yeah.
Active. God, I remember then take off shirt. Take off shirt. Physique. Only Johnny alone.
But I say if I get some cold, I make it easy for you.
Right?
Yeah, come on. Bring it on.
Where's it appearing already?
So you can just eat up this kind of next part?
No.
Yeah, right.
Right.
No, who's the man?
Him.
White shirt?
Yeah, Bobby Schmurdo. Him.
What's the couple? You want to argue about?
The food. So we are going to stretch it. We are bless it and stretch it, Johnny. Him said can't share.
What do you mean you can't share?
I never say can't share, but two pound with the order, but only a pound them out. So we could just work with it because
Yeah, I can work with them. I can't say we reach out later.
Yeah, and I really do not provide enough for nobody.
And a full belly.
And everybody have a home, right?
Yes.
So then go home,
Yeah.
they go eat them pasta.
Hold that.
The rest of people, they don't know me call what I mean.
Aile. Why say? Miss Dunga says I don't cook no food for you, no, because I have the pasta.
Don't think that.
Alright, Cecilia. Where's the going now?
There, man, you want 6 bars, man. Yeah, me.
I mean, now, last time I was swimming, you got DJ straight.
Yeah, what?
I can't big DJ.
Me.
I mean.
What are you guys? Yes. What are you guys?
Where you say?
I tell man about, we find nice river. I sent them as we forward. And we back a Satan no care man come.
But listen now, which part we find the nicest river them?
True that.
Which part we find the nicest river
St.
them?
Thomas, that's true.
I know only St. Thomas, but which part we find the nicest river them? Now back of God we go find the nicest river them.
Me back a team. Me back a team no.
Johnny, now back of God we go find the nicest river them.
No, I don't know about that. Everything is in front of God. Nothing is behind him. The only thing I would agree to the behind him is us as people, with the slackness what we indulge in and do. But everything else is straightforward.
So you know
in
the
front of him.
slackness? This way you do a slackness, you know?
Me don't know about that. Remember I said the man...
God not drink that?
No. The man said we must take a sip of the bourbon at times, you know. Remember, you know, to clean with throat.
Yeah?
Yes,
Want
man.
a drink? Yo, scarecrow. Want a drink?
We not get none.
Scarecrow.
We not give none. No, we not give. In a manners. In a manners. Me know.
Yo! What is that, man? What is that, man?
I'm trying to watch him, man.
I think you might eat that.
But I took up that, man.
Today we had to smash up some saltfish, I don't know. Rice and baked beans. Something quick, you know. So I reach a late and rain there fall. So you know we don't want to rain all these. So we have to do that. That is it.
Cecilia, she because she's sexy. I don't know, good body, you know. I'm not talking to you, I'm fire some man. Because when I don't talk to you,
No, I hear business that.
Oh, yeah. Watch out, me that look one,
what's it?
Food that, man, I no use.
I can't.
I no use.
what happened?
Me not worry about them something there. Them something that frighten me. Cause anything me hold on pan.
Tell him.
That's straight from toe to face. That's me not rushing up like some guy about me.
Yeah.
Me know what my purpose is, you know.
Yes.
Anything me hold on pan as they say.
Sure.
Move right, we are short breast. Nobody don't want to see that. A straight through, straight drive. No turning off. So the guy them will go up on highway. And when they go up on highway, they might look for what them call it, exit and detour.
One thing me have to tell you. One thing me have to tell you.
I'm one thing you have to tell me, you know. But keep some of them.
I tell you one main thing.
Yeah.
Make sure you can hold your breath long. Cause some long legs from travel from this all the way up, you know.
That's true.
There's no problem with that. When my foot get tired,
Yes.
foot get tired, that place not working.
Oh, 6. Ersker.
What is it?
You want to buy a salon, yo.
You might protect him, man.
As if reach him and work and una chat.
So Bingy no normal work when he come.
What that's true? Bingy. We don't know about you.
She have pick up for your boyfriend. That's how you go.
When Bingy a cook, Bingy there with pound on the pan. Bingy a do him thing, him just dead him ready. But I always admire when Johnny come for I always say him find something to do. Him do film part.
When Johnny come, is Johnny cook that often?
No matter.
So we are tell life.
Do film part and then him go sit down and drink.
I show your man, I look him. Move on, man. I'm a look you. If you don't know if you are please post. Just smile, so.
Your blood. What trouble, man?
Cecilia, man, kill me blood clot bun.
Cecilia, kill me.
You gonna get burnt in week.
Yeah, man, it's a woman like Cecilia.
Cecilia, young strong girl. Johnny Nani, I'm right. The man, them a blood Italian.
Hey, hear that? What you feel?
Johnny Nani, I'm right. The man, them a blood class Italian.
No, but you have cow in half in him. Him money just talk for him.
Money? No, man.
And goat.
No, man.
Him say him not for indulge in that, you know.
No, but Johnny I go on better enough man. Him have goat, him have cow, him have and him can feed people. But I mean that better enough man who have 95, you know.
But me say for you, cause
why?
You not get the money for the market. You must go market.
No, man, the man confess yesterday. The man confess yesterday saying with a gear a goat. Nobody else never that, you know.
Alright.
Nobody say Bingy?
Yeah. That is good.
Not even goat, a cow.
Oh, you're not gonna water. You're not gonna water.
Yeah.
The man never offer none of weight. And the man say that this is a cow.
Me take it good.
Really bumble against you, man. The man a sell out, you know. Because we are begging the man one goat.
Once you give away a cow, bigger than goat. You feel like.
Watch it. Johnny, your team members they want to know how you like to feel a cow and give them something.
Who?
You.
Them have other things. I donate to people who know worthy of it.
Yes.
So them to make sure them know that. I'm not getting in business, so we can leave. Pass that right there.
Yeah, that's her.
Pass on, we not pass nothing here. Because we want to know how we react the people. How we react the people on the road. We want some book and pencil to go back to school. Eh?
Tan know you want it and school home from when?
No.
Tan know you want book and pencil to go back to school.
No, I know.
To the what, the 10th, right, sir?
I will do and give him to go back to school September. But you promised woman goat. And the whole way a team. I never said that.
You didn't hear me tell it to my mouth, sir? Yeah, man.
But
Yeah.
camera says on me.
So camera talk to me now.
But you say it for the camera.
I'm talking about.
But you say it for the camera.
He's all up on his straight.
No man, the boss I go on good man. I do him thing man.
Go on.
Yeah, man, I'm proud of him, you know, because yeah, I'm proud of
Come
him.
along with you know, you know, like woman and something.
Yeah, they don't have a like woman and they afraid of woman.
When the food
I know him come around. So kudos to Johnny man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man.
Johnny, yeah, come out to your shell. And I see you.
Big up. Them say you're going good.
I see you break you out.
when I'm talking.
We like that still. We like that.
You see that?
Fine, yeah, come out to your shell.
The date, we are in the, now going again.
Yeah?
Did enough time since then.
What?
Yeah.
Say Jennifer, I'm talking about Jennifer.
River date. When no come man,
Exactly.
I tell you.
I think more fast our business. Okay.
Alright.
Paddy, you pass, you get fucked. Johnny gonna lead. The race is on, but Johnny gone.
Well, so Johnny can't compete with you. That's crazy. Johnny, my daughter, you know.
It's not a thing about compete.
My daughter,
It's not about compete. Only no competition thing is.
So, Johnny, out I 3 hours, you know. I been here lead for the girls thing, you know.
Well, me no in no competition with no guy from that. Me no none.
I been here, no, 6. But 6 now, 2.
You can't see me, man.
Six us pull them in. But out of Danny and Johnny, we say, I been here, you know.
Yeah.
One thing you know.
One
One thing you know.
I'm my head professor. So we expect that.
Yeah.
You don't put it on. But
Somebody comment say, them would make 6 go near the woman because, you know, but they stated in the comment section say, they would make me go beside the woman because I have a bench. They said they would make you go beside the woman because you are Gallus. They said Danny because he's my Niamis. Johnny because he's my cow, he's a cow. So you see, the police say you are Gallus.
like the part where they say about me still. So me and Niamis. Me like the part there. But Niam what?
6? Boy, you get all privilege, my boy. All privilege.
Yo, I come a cup of drink water, drink. One, eh?
So
Oh,
what you
stop
have
it
here?
up, cook. Like a chat.
We done with Cecilia, you know. We done with the Rasta, you know. Yo, this one cut. We done with you. Can't tell that baby face, man.
That's crazy. I want a man to fuck.
Johnny, man, I fuck around here. Ding him, if I go like me, a wicked start, you know. But he not no finishing. Johnny box. Johnny box your time out. Johnny.
Every minute see that one I took beside
Yes.
Johnny. Nah, let's find Johnny now.
Cecilia.
Johnny feel good, you know.
When I was Cecilia.
Me put him still, you know, because my phone time shell.
Yes.
Open up. You kind of open up now.
Yeah.
You know about nothing.
And they have me a one day, you know, warm dream, you know, if you know want nobody, I can cuss man straight, you know.
Yeah, man.
So he come like Cecil
Calm
change him
him down,
around, yeah.
Calm him
Cecil,
down.
are we ready for change, Johnny?
Just be yourself.
Love and attention.
And yes, one time we reach the center man said she just buy one room game.
Yeah.
As him reach, just so.
You deserve it.
Monday. She just buy him something. You like that, man?
Know him like.
Yeah, just buy that.
Jealous.
So.
Watch out. You're jealous.
So you never buy bingy nothing yet?
Me I'm big, of course, but that's not a matter of that.
What you looking for?
I'm genuinely a nice.
I'm being cute to see what you
She's generally a nice girl.
Exactly.
I'm my friend, I'm not chat nothing bad about him. Come here, Papa. I'm not chat to your party, come. You're my friend. Yeah, you have a wicked start, but you're not finishing still up. I don't make me chat to still now.
What about you?
Exactly.
No, me all know, me get.
You
For the past 50, me get. Me all know, blood. You know.
So you use
Let me
all that
stay there.
excuse.
Let me stay behind, you know. Eh?
Yeah, he was all an excuse.
Yeah, man, it's all as excuse. But Johnny hold on me, but this is Johnny just get my farm. I still join him out and I
Yeah,
appreciate
so
that.
all Johnny all on here, call up.
I must say the puppy get.
Johnny, what about you?
Fire, I want catch.
Why you want
That me I
it?
did it. That me I did it.
Johnny and an eyeglass and stop.
Your belly big, so man.
You say, him a nyam. And a drink.
And fat. Wet him up, Bingy. Wet him up, wet him up. Wanna wet him up? Wet him up, lady. Wet him up, yeah, wet him up, lady. Yeah. 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 Watch out now, watch out now, watch out now, watch out now, watch out now. Yes, the Lord. Woo! That is it. Yo, Skilly Bang. That is it, east side. People in the east side of book Skilly, brother, you know? That is it, man.
Show my man,
Yeah, man,
Skilly Bang.
I'll be turning around and look for the man, so I say, wait. That is it. Him jump off, oh man.
Jump off here, watch ya.
What a cool. What a cool blood clot.
Jump here, see.
See what coming there. Sure,
Watch ya. You can't-
No fear head. Yeah, so 6 not fear head. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. 6. Yes, I'm going. Oi.
Wash out your eye.
What pussy?
What a rat.
Why?
Wash your eye.
6 hours, yes, man.
Why? I want it.
6, wash me or not? What is he doing?
Go on, 6. Go on.
Why?
Have to tap into the system with that. Yeah. Then you have some people, I'm say to him, they have all them degree, them subject, and them leave school, whichever college them graduate or university, and them come back on the street. But at the same time, there is nothing.
That man try to show you say school not true necessary to have man and all 15 subjects still they are red see.
Yeah, but I said that to him earlier before you popped up. But then at the same time, you still have to pay attention because you have people who have 15 subjects and them don't own a bicycle. Or you have a man with can't sign him signature, but him own not bicycle. Him own offer him community. If you understand what I'm saying, you know, they own them, him can't sign him name, but offer the community and him own it and respond to that. And it's very simple. So that's all I'm saying to you. Go to school, take your lesson, pay attention, and it doesn't matter if a friend or family member, don't make them draw you out.
You are your friend then.
Yeah.
Oh, you say don't like school?
No, him like school. Him just.
But I like him in
No,
school.
me ask him why I'm not going to school today.
Oh, your man loves school.
Yeah, him love school.
Yeah?
But me ask me going to school today, him say no. But then I just one of them things there. But me say make him know say school, invest in a school, learn him lesson, pay attention to him lesson, respect the teacher and respect the elder and the parents. Yeah, that me I try to tell him, yeah.
So what you doing at school?
Right now, I start the electrical class.
Electrical. Oh, you like electrical work? Okay. So you see yourself do that for the rest of the year? Rest of your life or?
Yeah.
So how far are you reaching it? You're reaching nowhere. You just start. Oh, which school you go?
Seafood High.
Seafood High. You do good in that school? You sure?
Yeah.
You're not like? You go school with You go school with him?
Oh my dad, no, that's
Oh, you not go school? Yeah. What were you?
Old school love
Yeah, Skilly, so you say you can't give me something.
You know what I'm going to do, but walk with the camera like Jersey.
That is it. You know, say we have to win. Yeah, people, this is Skilly bag, you know. You don't know, St. Thomas, you don't know. Yeah, make sure you send it up, you know.
All in spring. Bro.
That is it.
That is it.
What?
Yeah, man, look, you know, to the pumpkin. The pumpkin I turn over because some pumpkin and rice we do today. And some baked bean and saltfish.
Yes.
And that we have on the menu.
Right, yes,
So I put the pumpkin
so
they go.
pumpkin rice, you really like what? Who takes some more pumpkin rice?
No, my friend, the same agree with it.
Who takes some more
Brown
pumpkin
man
rice?
said that him like.
Who
But
takes some
here,
like?
here him no. I come tell me about say him like for him pumpkin for boil and mash out. No for your friend?
Oh, my friend.
Tall man, the next video guy, man.
Oh,
You want to think about already there?
oh, what do you buy?
Yeah. So me I say, you should have made me get a grater and
Great, eh?
no, yeah. But anyway, we leave it. No worry about it because we time. So. And this is the saltfish.
Saltfish.
Yeah.
Well, the boy is still low salt.
Why? Me have to go call for help today.
The younger generation, them, yeah. They are lecturing about school and something, you know?
I was seeing.
You don't give them look knowledge.
This is right.
Look,
This is
yeah?
right. I had a bless. Uppull, man. Uppull, man. Uppull. Yeah, man. What they are them name?
Xavier.
Xavier.
Xavier?
Xavier.
Cardo YC.
Cardo YC.
And Skilly.
Yeah, man, Skilly, man. You know where God, the Jesus and where God.
That's it there, right? That's it
Skilly,
there.
go ahead.
Yeah, man. So they are in front of the community, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Born and raised.
grow, man.
See?
Yeah, man. Run up and down and chip up me. You know?
Jaja yo. So, what is the name of this community again?
Fontil District.
Fontil District.
Yeah.
Okay. How far it is from Maranby?
Well, what me I say? What you say drive? I call them man drive regular from B. Is it what you say? 2 miles or something?
Yeah. How many?
How many? 15 minutes late.
15 minutes drive.
Yeah, quick car road good and
Okay.
One time we see when you do a video I come up here I go up a grandpa farm. The time the road bad.
Bad. Yeah, man, up here, you know? Take hours to reach that.
Yeah. The road active and now still.
Yeah.
Asphalt up and
So, may I say them a question now? See?
yeah.
How the pressures of society, the pressure with society are true at the eye of them right now. Because I know the pressure come from all angles, not true?
Yeah.
How you think your angle, how you feel like your angle of pressure there?
Like society pressure.
Yeah, the pressure with society throwing at you
Yeah,
in
like-
terms of job availability,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
terms of money fluctuation,
Yeah.
or the money fluctuate.
Well, me I say,
in terms
you
of
know,
all
so
of that.
easy up this side still, you know, because you see St. Thomas and one look fast parish if you ever notice that. Slow in a certain thing, you see me? But in a them way, in a them a place, in a them little community, we up and party. You have to just shoot out. Because you can't sit down at them a place, you see me? Like how you see me cement up and one thing.
Yeah.
There's something there now work, you see me?
Okay.
You have to shoot out at them a place. Go down a base if you can't get one look something to do, because
Yeah.
you see me? If you want skills they can go arts, because they make that too, you see me? They get surfing ticket, they say, you see me?
Yes.
But they me there more and thing. You see me? So you have to just shoot out of them.
Yeah, man, you have to
place,
do
you
your
see me?
thing and
To try fight society as way that try to see.
yeah.
If the back of them a place right now go work. It too weak.
See.
Yeah.
So you catch some work site and them things,
Yeah,
some construction work are going on, and you go up on the site and you make sure you didn't show up to get the position. How farming in that area? Nobody know farm. What kind of farming people do over here?
Farming nice all different type.
Farming. What grew up here? What the main crop grew up here?
Grow carrot, grow onion.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry? Yeah?
No, sorry, long carrot.
Pepper.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Some place you find all crop, man.
Okay.
And then you got some place you don't see carrot.
Yeah.
And you got some place you don't see pine.
Right.
You find
Everything else.
Everything. See, so you do none of the farming?
You know, so I'm a stepfather farm, but I don't really farm. You see me, but that's something what we usually do. You see me as a juicy.
Come money in the farming, you know.
Oh, you mean
No,
that?
fry
Yeah, man. Money in the farming.
no good weed no there, no skunk no there.
You want it, Danny? I got
I trouble him again, man.
You put your crap everything there now. I'm just 1 and 2, you know.
but you know if you want weed like that, it there still. Yeah, man.
So society not pressure them to go take up no gun or nothing.
No, sir, we not pre that.
Yeah.
You see me? That's not necessary right now.
Same way, sir. Same
Everything
way,
they
sir.
not necessary. But you see me? When I say, you see me? Because more time I tell you, you have some friend where they in things and are your friend. You know they night in a boy your friend and he come in your yard and show you say yo queer this and that. I just you have to have in mind say yo and right now not pre that.
Because at the end of the day that really pay, you know.
That not pay.
Yeah, because there's two choices at the end of the day, you know.
Yeah.
If you're dead or you're going to prison.
Yeah, said we.
There's no third choice.
Said we at man.
You see me I say? Yeah, there's two choices you have.
Yeah man.
And no man no want to choose none of them there.
No say nice.
You see me? Yeah, so we just have to find other ways of making it. Not true?
That's why we know so we have to win.
Walk with the camera like Drizzy,
Yeah.
I could even walk with the camera like Drizzy, man. Something better did they do.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Did they do,
Yeah.
man.
Like how you pre,
Yeah,
man.
man. Things better did they, man.
Right, that's it. Go on.
So what do you think? Cause Skilly alone have a mic, you know.
I'm alone a V for more. Man, so
Yeah.
I'm looking to talk. I'm a V for more time.
You afraid of camera?
You know, say I
I do my eyes straight.
We don't cheat like it, me that thing.
Yeah. That's how you go, man.
Which one you still got school?
I didn't do one.
Your school as? Your school as? Which grade you in?
9.
9? Are you?
10.
10. Okay. Which school you go?
Seafood High School.
Seafood High?
V4 time.
Seafood High, okay. You play sports in a school now?
No.
No sports. So, what is your strong point in school? What you good at in school?
Language arts.
Language and?
Language arts.
Oh, language arts. Yeah, you're good at language arts. Okay. So, what do you aspire to be?
I want to be an electrician.
You want to be an electrician? Alright, cool. Nice. So, you know, you have to work hard towards that though, you know? Yeah, you have to get more familiar with other parts of the curriculum. Because language arts alone is not going to get you where you want to go, you know? Because that has to do with maths and them something there, you know, and some type of science subject in terms of, you know, your goal where you want to reach. Yeah, so you have to set your goal and then build your strategies to reach your goal in terms of penetrate from where you want to do in a school from now. Don't wait. You know, the subjects them that you're comfortable with, put in the work on them there. You see me I say? Not saying to neglect the rest of them, you know, but the ones them that you see have a strong point, a strong hold on, that make a little easier to you, pick them there and study hard, do your assignments, do your homeworks, take your turn in all your projects them. Alright, that's right. Them I tell my daughter the same thing. So I tell her the same thing like I'm gonna tell my daughter. I have to dip on my daughter all the way, I have to do our homework, I have to turn in our projects them. At the end of the year, those are what makes up a lot of points and that's what fail a lot of kids. And show me a talk. Yeah. So you see how important it is. Not true? So it's just, and that is teaching you a lesson in life also. That lesson is going to take over into the real world. We have to be punctual at your job. You have to know your job description. You have to stick to your job description. You have to be disciplined. So you have to just do what you have to do. But you look like a very calm young man and you know, like a demeanor. I have faith in you. Do it, alright? I love you.
That's easy. My way. Active. Thing good? Big up yourself, man. Alright, boss. Yes, my boy. In the boat, you know? Oh, in the country? Yeah, my boy. Don't want to fry rice, no, sir.
I think that, Danny. They cook white rice. Where's the one up in?
No, them man come here in hours at night. At night, them man mostly come here.
Yeah.
Rasta City.
And cook?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, in hours at night.
Eh?
Every time them come here, all 4 or 5 cars park up by the church.
Oh, yeah, I say.
I want.
Yeah, man, they come up here, come cook all night and rice can't cook. I want you to up yourself in the Black Marina. I'm have to come up here. I'm family that buried this, you know? Yeah, man. Rice can't cook, man. I will make it have to go cook.
You hear that?
Yes, sir.
So, him there?
They're probably your brethren, man.
Oh. What's everything?
You want to see Monday, probably him matter.
No, not him.
Oh.
When I say my family to the rice cook.
Okay.
Now, Danny?
No, not Danny, but when the man says something goes to be true.
True?
Yeah, that happened.
Oh.
That happened.
What happened?
When the guy never come up with it wouldn't work out. It's
No.
a maroon place.
No go so.
Paddy, just try the rice.
I think I joke.
No, can't go so.
I got my thing.
What do you mean no can't go so?
No go so.
Once the result, I can't.
Me no want that.
Exactly.
We want the food to cook. We not call long that.
Me don't say on the rice now go cook, you know.
But
I tell you, that night there, them man they come up here alone come put on the rice. Eh?
Oh.
That man they come up here, rice now cook. Be a boil the water, boil the water.
You don't want to cook all night, you never laugh and stuff.
How much of them you want me to cook? Alright. How much pepper? Put down?
our one.
You give one rice name just still, you know?
Oh,
Jack Bingley.
but when me up this,
Rum
right?
chef.
Call a rum chef, is a rice.
Yeah, man. Me know what go on behind my back, you know, because show me have 4 eye and him only have 2. And me up this and see it, you know.
Yeah.
And me they go call him attention, you know. But him on the umbrella.
Yes.
Me no say nothing, me
Don't
just
dance
leave
with
it.
your
Because
mom.
me know where go on, you know.
Yeah,
me
man.
see everything, you know.
Don't
But
dance with your mom.
hold on. No worry about him, man.
Yeah,
Him
man.
alright.
Go mash him
Him
up,
have him day coming, you know.
Yes, man.
Him have him real day coming.
Yo, him be one rice song for you, see? You must sing it too, I don't. That's what I call you. Me a rum chef come in here.
Me never know. Then you should have explained yourself, sir.
So I can't understand my tell have to come out.
It's too funny.
You're probably right, but I see more evidence. Oh, you know what you have proved about, man. I don't want to touch you now, you know. Because you don't know skin.
Yeah.
You don't know.
No man, that's too easy. Find something different. You can't call it a shrimp.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat shrimp.
So you're here, alright?
Try your style.
I read no word about it, man.
The people them say to stop talking about yellow. No yellow no out there.
What people you talk about?
Where the people them say when you have debate
No,
on the way for
who
outer
are these
space?
people who you're talking
No
about?
people, Johnny.
You're talking about
No,
local
alien,
people?
International
No,
people.
no, international guy can't tell you that.
What do you mean?
Make them come confirm it with me, face to face.
When they say we're being get about a show,
Yeah.
no man can prove and say a man touch.
So hold on, 2017, when it proven in the Pentagon now, with 3 of the fighter guy will fly the fighter jet, who confirmed these objects over California and in Florida, and them have them in the Congress and ask them questions.
I lie them no man. I them make up something.
And they make it up.
Yeah.
So you know what happened? If you come to that, you're your friend, you know. Cause him over there going like this, my life is not a joke, you know. So if you want film life is a joke, it's okay. But if you say I make them make it up, me would work with that. Because of one thing me have to say a couple time ago, 2025, 27. Who is here to witness what gonna take place? We're not gonna start blood.
Where's the boss? You believe that?
You don't know about, you can't say it like that. Don't put it in like that. Because probably, no, but probably saying if him believe in alien, probably have no clue what you're talking about. So you have to.
Alright, Johnny.
So
The rum.
Johnny.
The rum.
Hear me I say now.
Yo, Yo, man, cut that bad you fuck you.
So it, you do?
Yeah, man, bad.
Me to tell you, give impetus.
Where Bingy I say now?
No, me I say, what you're saying, you know, it may be a possibility that it goes like
You know,
that,
you know, something never 47. Because it doesn't kill you through the blood
It may be a
clot. You know that, right?
possibility. It may be a possibility that it does go that way.
It
Of
proved
course.
in the Congress. The Pentagon.
Congress can't
The
prove
Pentagon.
that.
No, the Pentagon then. Let's say the Pentagon.
Something I want to man.
Yo,
You're talking
yes, we're going to start walk right now.
Yo, 145 player already, you know.
So why he want to shoot down my documentary?
He must shoot it down.
No, me not shoot it down.
You are shooting down my
Johnny,
philosophy,
all right,
and you don't do that.
All right, you stop DJ now. Because I have a mic for you. Hear me I say. See, me say it's a possibility. Yes, no, brethren. Me not say your theory or your observation cannot be true, or it's a possibility. A lot of people believe that some don't. It is a possibility. My point is that to me, my opinion, there are not overwhelming evidence. There are not enough evidence to show to the public to say yes. So you can say, yeah, this is everything what Johnny has said. I saw it go for true. Them there, them monks we. Like we hear it every day in a brethren.
Let me tell you this.
Like me say, it's a possibility. You know, me not shoot down the man them thing. You know what me I try to say. Me's a man like this. Me go for use my common sense same way. I'm go for evidence. I'm go for proof. I'm use nature to teach me some things same way. But me no see no evidence. No whole heap of evidence.
Oh, sir. Me understand.
To your thing.
But most of the when you talk about common sense, most of the people who use that term. Remember, I'm not targeting. I'm not targeting. You know it now. But most of the people who use that term with common rascal sense. Who are these people, sir? Hello, yo, green top.
Yeah, well, we are
Who are these people?
Come on, talk to you, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
man. I want to argument, man.
People like me and you.
Yo, you know what?
Yeah, man, I eat me.
When I argument, the clean your man shit, you know.
Eat piece of garlic, man.
So where are they? Who are these people?
Yeah.
Who are these
Who
people?
are these people? When you talk
People
about
like me
common
and you.
sense.
People like me and
Not
you.
me and you. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Of course. Don't do that. But me and you.
Of course.
Tell them about you and other people. Don't bring me to that.
me and you,
Because you're
all
not
of us.
telling me, say, possibility.
Let me tell you something. The whole of we brainwash to a point, brother. Everyone away is brainwashed to a point. So I include me and you. Whole away. There's no man on the planet that doesn't have a touch of brainwash. No man. No human being.
I'm not going to dispute that.
Okay,
I'm
so
not
that's
gonna
why I
dispute.
include
So
me and you.
when it come in the
Yeah.
UFO, the whatever arena, me no want you bring your mouth to me in front of your friend then.
Possibilities.
That me I tell you, don't bring your mouth to me in front of your friend then. Don't talk, don't touch. Don't talk.
Are you ready for
What say it, sir?
Are you ready for
Say it.
You know, it's a
Wednesday, repeat it.
It's a brainwash. Yeah, and that's what I'm
So,
Yeah, man.
him get brainwashed?
Yeah, him say get brainwash. So, you want to argue? Argument close between you and him, no?
There you go. Quotation closed.
No, we all get brainwashed with something. Yeah, man, we all get brainwashed with something, man.
You're talking to him shoot you down, and you're saying get brainwashed too, and possibility.
And him of all person shouldn't get brainwashed.
No,
Him of all person
so hold on.
can't not
What you
suppose
talk
to.
about? Me no God, brother. Me no God.
Oi.
I got alone.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
A human being.
Mr. Professor.
That's what he meant to tell you
Mr.
about.
Professor.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Professor. Remember, when you talk about God, remember, him design everything, you know.
Yeah, man.
And we are talking about from the start in a
perfect,
time.
the perfect.
And there was other being was here before us coming into existence. So don't, you be careful.
Yeah, when I see him story going back to one.
What I mean, you don't want to go back to it?
Yeah, yeah, other beings them, but we not see none proof about them.
Yeah, man. Me know what you prove about, you know.
You're probably right, but I see more evidence.
Oh, you know what you prove about, man. I don't want to touch you now, you know. Because you know no skin.
yeah,
You know no
touch
skin.
me, brother.
You have no flesh, man, if you touch. Why?
Christ. Yeah, weird. So, you're not cook, you know.
Whoa.
Hot dog, can't put too much ice in there.
No, man, put the pepper in there, man.
No, man, you sure?
Yeah, man,
Put
put
the
it
ice,
in.
man.
Yeah,
Put
man.
the-
I want
put
small
the ice, man.
pepper. Cut up all seeds and
No
everything.
baby there, man.
Cut up everything. Everything hard.
Oh, you got no.
Cut up your seat,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What's the cut?
No one pepper that you cut.
So two for cut?
What you like put those seeds there?
Like anything vegetable like.
Oh, you like.
Yeah, ackee.
Yeah.
I eat fish too, so brown stew fish, salmon, chickpea, them
Yeah.
something there. You know eat them something there?
Vegan food.
Yeah.
You know what me that eat? You me that eat.
Yes, pumpkin rice. You know?
Yes. Salt.
USA a man and passing big.
Yeah, man, stir up for them. That is it, man. You know we go.
That is it, man. That is, man. Time, food time now. See they share, you know? Yeah. Where's your skilly? That is some
Johnny food, dog.
That is it.
Cause you don't know how far you know I come from.
Where is it?
Yo, I'm first me ever eat from Johnny too. You see me?
That
Pull
is
it.
it. Pull it.
You can watch it clearly, dog.
That is it, my father.
Active, man.
Active.
Out there,
You know, big up to GC Burke walking TV, you know.
That is it.
Long time with the pie thing, but I second time here meet.
Active.
Active.
Give me two more plates and one.
Yeah, I.
No, man, we there, man. Respect
You
this.
know better, man.
Yeah, man, you know where they do. Alright.
TJ from Funchill, you don't know.